and good day. My name is Glenn Hayward. I'm the proud owner of Good Works Auto Repair in sunny Tempe, Arizona. Today, I want to celebrate our 18th anniversary. Good Works started back in 2004 in July, and we are so proud of our growth and the experience that we've had here as business owners. I'm going to take you through a little tour of the shop and show you how our growth is. What you're looking at right now is our original building, which we started with 3 bays back in 2004. And so let's take a little tour of the place. In 2006, Good Works Auto Repair was so busy and we only had 3 bays. So we had the opportunity to take on some more space, and to my immediate right, we took on, this was our first expansion of 2 bays. Our second expansion took place at the far end of the building over there, where we added 7 more bays. And now another expansion took place and we added 3 more bays. So now we have a total of 15 bays, which means 15 lifts to service your vehicles. This growth has allowed us to service 50,000 repair orders, 19,000 customers, and over 24,000 vehicles in those years. And we're continuing to grow year by year. We're very proud of that, and we're thankful that we have the kind of customer base and the kind of growth every year, from recommendations from our other customers, from stellar reviews on Google and Yelp, that have helped us to continue to grow, because people are looking for auto repair that they can trust. This is my star-studded service advising team. And as you can see on the back wall, we advise, but you decide. That's our philosophy here. We don't pressure people. We don't ask them to do things that aren't necessary on their vehicle. We do insist that our customers do regular routine maintenance on their vehicles, which prevents them from having catastrophic events happen with their vehicle. And so every time you come in, you get a digital inspection of your vehicle. And that digital inspection gives us the capability of communicating with pictures, with recommendations, with estimates and everything, and we email and we text those to your phone so that you can see that what we're telling you is true, and we have the evidence to show that there are things that may be going on with your vehicle now or in the near future. That way you can plan ahead. My service writing team and my staff and the technicians are constantly getting continuous training to upgrade themselves to the technologies that are being placed upon these new vehicles that we're servicing. So don't be afraid that we're just an old school place. We do service cars back into the 40s and 50s, but we also service vehicles that are up to date. And so we're very thankful for that, and my staff are more than willing to take the educational classes that they need to continue to grow as technicians, as service advisors, and as owners.